Hey everyone, welcome back. Is the Klarna app stuck spinning and never fully loading your orders, wallet, or home screen? Here's the fix. The spinning issue is almost always a combination of a stale network connection and a caged app session that's failing to authenticate. First, go to your settings app and then turn airplane mode on. Wait about 15 seconds, then turn it back off. This completely resets your iPhone's network connection from scratch, which often clears a stuck Klarna loading session instantly. After airplane mode restores your connection, close the Klarna app from your recent apps and then wait for a few hours and reopen it fresh. If it's still spinning, check that the issue is on Klarna's end by opening Safari or Google. Go to Google and search for status.klarna.com. Klarna has had 12 tracked incidents in the last 90 days, so a server-side issue is a real possibility. If the status page shows all the systems operational, go to your settings app, then go to General, go to iPhone Storage, scroll down to the list of apps to find the Klarna app, tap on it and then tap Offload app. Go to the App Store, search for Klarna and reinstall fresh from the App Store to clear the corrupted session entirely. So all you've got to do is airplane mode reset, force close and reopen, check status.klarna.com, then offload and reinstall if it's still spinning. Klarna loads and that's it. Subscribe.